tumayo po sa inyong harapan as we celebrate another milestone in the history of the Bureau of Internal Revenue. Thank you so much po for the opportunity to be part of this occasion and to stand alongside fellow Filipinos who understand the importance of contributing to our country's progress. Every Filipino who pays taxes plays a role in nation building. Whether you're an employee, entrepreneur, professional, or business owner, every honest contribution helps support public services that millions of Filipinos rely on. From education and healthcare to infrastructure and disaster response. As a taxpayer po myself, I know that paying taxes is never taken lightly. It represents hard work, sacrifice, and commitment to doing what is right. Because every peso we earn comes from the time and effort we dedicate to our work. We also hope to see that contribution translated into meaningful public service, accountability, and positive change for our fellow Filipinos. This is why paying taxes and serving the public go hand in hand. As citizens, we have the responsibility to fulfill our obligations honestly. At the same time, we all share that hope, the hope that these contributions are managed with integrity, transparency, and genuine commitment to improving the lives of our people, the Filipinos. Trust grows when responsibility is met with accountability. So, before I end my speech po, I would just like to send out this message to everyone who's here and to everyone who's going to be watching my speech for today. Of course, right now, the Philippines is facing a lot of challenges. And that's why we're here. Kaya po tayo nandito. Kami po sa industriya ng telebisyon at pelikula. And of course, the BIR is here to sustain and help the country to move forward. So sana po, of course, alongside with our taxpayers, maging sa mga kawani po ng gobyerno, tulungan po natin ang Pilipinas. Dahil tayo-tayo lang naman po ang magtutulungan para maiahon ito sa kung nasan man ito ngayon. So I encourage my fellow Filipinos to continue embracing honesty, integrity, and civic responsibility. Let us recognize that fulfilling our duty as taxpayers is one way we contribute to the future we all want to build. A future where every Filipino has greater opportunities and better public service. To dedicated men and women of BIR, maraming salamat po for your continuous efforts to make tax compliance more accessible and to strengthen public confidence through better service. Every step toward efficiency, transparency, and responsiveness helps reinforce the trust between government institutions and the people they serve. For my part, I will continue to support initiatives that encourage greater awareness and understanding of our responsibilities as taxpayers. More than any title, I hope to use my platform to remind my fellow Filipinos that responsible citizenship begins with each of us. On this special anniversary, I would like to congratulate the Bureau of Internal Revenue for another year of public service. May you continue to strive for excellence, integrity, and accountability in serving the Filipino people. Muli po, maraming salamat po for this recognition. Mabuhay po ang BIR, and here's to more things that we can do together as partners for nation building. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you very much, Alvin Richards, and to the rest of the 2026 BIR Kaagapaan.